There. Oh!
What's happened there?
Gone straight over middle. Jeez, now that is talking. That ball is near impossible to play. Oh, beautiful. Wide of the crease. Class. Well bowled. Is that in the pad? Yeah, it hit his leg. Oh, there's still plenty of movement there for Muhammad Asif.
Another good stride from Alistair Cook. Jag back.
Yes, that is wonderful seam bowling. One in, one out. And another. Just an iota wider, that one. And good swinger from Muhammad Asif. Many other grounds we wouldn't be playing at all now. That will do nicely. What a class bit of bowling from Muhammad Asif. It's been a beautiful spell. Wales, so do England.
Well, for once he's got out to a right armour instead of a left armour. He just got a little tiny inside edge there. He was trying his best.
Oh, it's going past leg stump, I think. Oh, well bowled. Great riposte by the bowler, Muhammad Asif.
He always hits good areas. He'll always make it difficult for a batsman to come to the crease. Hold.
Oh, that's close. That is close. Wow,
Beauty. What a lovely bit of bowling that is. Deserves to get a wicket.
It's clever bowling from Asif because he goes from slightly wider of the crease and draws Trot into the shot. The ball out.
Oh, what's that hit? Really good bowling from Muhammad Asif.
As Cameron Akmal flew down the leg side. Way, hello. I'm not sure there isn't a bit of inside edge there. Oh!
What's happened there?
Gone straight over middle stump. Not middle stump, and I've just said that Batty's got a bit more straightforward. But Asif is a craftsman. He's almost a spinner in a seamer's clothes. Wonderful use of his wrists and body action to get the ball to talk. That's a very good shout for LBW. Very good. And it's...
That's a good delivery. That's come back quite a bit and given out LBW. Morgan's fantastic.
It's his front pad first. Nah, I think that's close. It's gone.
Oh, that could be out. That could be out. E-roll, man.
It's a lovely spell of bowling, this, because he's getting close to the stumps.
Oh, that's out. That is out. Oh, no shot at all. What a morning, Pakistan. Asif's on a hat-trick. And England have lost wicket after wicket. They've hardly scored a run this morning. This is hat-trick ball. Oh, it didn't carry. How unlucky. Well bowled, young.
Way, that is very close to LBW. Catch that. Oh no, you're kidding. You're kidding.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Muhammad Asif just able to make the ball talk almost in these conditions, getting it to swing one way and then nip the other.
If it didn't carry. Oh, careful. The bowler drew you wide at that. You got away with the streaky foot.
Double this score. Oh my goodness me, it's a no ball. A no ball and